you guys excited for our projects, guys? Please let me know. Can you guys do a quick revision about what we have studied in tomorrow's class? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our tomorrow yesterday's class, guys? A quick revision about what we have studied in our yesterday's class. We studied about import, export, app, JSX. We studied about component management, right? We changed the management of the components in such a way that we are able to use it at the end of the day, right? For our project, some basic arrangement organization, we saw to it. Okay. So today what we are going to do is we are going to start making components for our project, guys. That will be our aim. Like I said, for this particular bootcamp, we will be focusing a lot more upon the React.js portion because that is what we are here to learn. If you want to learn HTML and CSS, you can come up to the HTML CSS bootcamp that is going on to learn that right over there. In this particular bootcamp, I will be providing you guys with the HTML and CSS code for this bootcamp, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. I will be providing you guys with the HTML and the CSS code for this particular bootcamp so that you don't have to worry about it. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Okay, let me see where I have kept the file itself. Okay, give me a second. I've kept the file somewhere. Now I will have to just find that file, I guess. Okay, I think so I will have to find it. No issues in that. I will provide you guys with the CSS code as well. Do not worry about it. So this CSS code, I will be sharing it with you guys right now. Give me a second. Copy link, viewer, copy link. I will strip it up inside of the description itself, guys. Put it up inside of the description. I will change this to CSS code. Okay. So I think so now it should be updated. So once you reload the page, guys, you should be able to see the CSS code link inside of the description, guys. You should be able to see the CSS code link inside of the description of the video. If you go and open up this video, if you're not able to see it, just refresh the page. That is my suggestion. But if you go to the description of the video, guys, just go to the description of the video right over here. As you're able to see, you will be able to see the CSS code link, guys. If you click on it, it will open up the CSS code for you. It will open up the CSS code for you. If you're not able to see the CSS code link, just refresh your website. Just refresh the video itself. Reload the video. You should be able to see it right over there, guys. Are you guys able to see it? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see it? Please let me know. If you're not able to see it, just refresh the video, guys. Just refresh the video. You just require the CSS code, guys. You don't require the HTML code, the basic HTML code that we were using yesterday. That is what is required. So you don't require it. Okay, good, guys. So let's get started with our class. So right over here, I will just open up the previous template itself, what we were using yesterday. Right over here, as you are able to see, this is what we were using yesterday. That is what we have created up till now. Inside of that, inside of the public folder, I'm going to delete the styles.css. I'm going to delete the styles.css file, guys. I'm going to do click on this cross and delete this styles.css. Next, what I'm going to do is the video that you're currently watching. So this is the video that you're currently watching. Inside of that, if you go to the description of the video itself, if you go to the description of the video itself, click on this CSS code link. Click on the CSS code link. From there, click on the download button. Click on the download button, guys. If you see on the top right corner, there is a download button right over here. Click on that. It will download the CSS styles.css file for you. Okay. Once you have downloaded that, you need to come back. Okay. You need to come back. Inside of the public folder, click on this upwards arrow. That is the upload files arrow, guys. Inside of the public folder, click on this upwards arrow. Let me open up the live chat as well right over here. You don't require the HTML code, guys. Again, I'm saying it once again. You don't require the HTML code. You only require the CSS code. Okay. So right over here, we'll go back. We'll click on this public button, upload button. Inside of the download, I should be able to find my styles.css. I will rename this as styles.css, guys. I'll just rename it as styles.css. No, I just need to delete the previous styles, styles.css. Okay, I'm just going to select this, delete it. I'm going to rename this as styles.css. Going to open this up. As you're able to see, I've uploaded the styles.css right over here, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. As you're able to see, I've uploaded the styles.css right over here, guys. All my code that was there, I've already uploaded it, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Good. Now let's come back to the project that we are here to make, guys. So let us discuss about the project that we are here to make. Okay. So we are going to create a very simple note-taking application, guys. We are going to create a very simple note-taking application that is going to tell us about the bootcamps of DevTown. That is our aim, guys. Let's assume this is our website. Okay, let's assume this is our website, guys. Inside of the header, there will be a header right over here wherein there will be DevTown written. There will be header right over here wherein DevTown will be written. There will be a footer right over here which will be having @copyright 2023. That will be our footer, guys. Copyright 2023. A footer will be there. And then there will be notes that will be there, guys. So there will be notes like this, inside of which there will be an h1 tag that will be saying the name of the bootcamp, for example, React bootcamp, and then a little bit about the bootcamp itself, some information about the bootcamp, and there will be multiple notes like that. Okay, there will be multiple notes like that, guys. That is the aim that we are here to create, guys. Very simple. Okay, very simple, very straightforward. A header, a footer, and notes right over there, guys. So shall we start with creating our website, guys? Please do let me know. Taniksha, you are not supposed to code along with me. This video is available with lifetime access, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Focus upon what we are here to learn, that is the coding aspect, how to upload a particular file. You can just rewatch the video for that. Okay, not here for IT support, here for teaching. Okay, so right over here, guys, let us go back. Okay, and let us start with our coding. So we are going to go inside of our src, inside of our index.js first of all. So as you're able, and we'll open up our website in a new tab. Okay, first let's open up our website in a new tab, and we'll close this sucker up. We don't want him to exist right over here. Okay, right over here, guys, if you go there, you are having this index.js. So index.js, we are not going to change anything right over here. Any components, anything that we want to create, we'll be putting it up inside of app.jsx. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. You need to put it up inside of app.jsx. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Right? Good. So now we'll delete all the components that are present inside of here, because these are from the previous things. We don't want in the heading.jsx, so we'll just delete heading.jsx. We'll delete paragraph.jsx, so we'll delete paragraph.jsx as well. We don't require it. We'll delete the import statements as well, because again we don't require it. We will delete the heading and the paragraph components that we have used right over here. And that is the starting point, guys, for the project. That is the basic starting point right over here, guys. Now let's start. The first thing that we want to create is the header itself. Okay, right over here, this is called as the header, guys. This is called as the header, and that is what we want to create right over there. So we are going to create a component called as header. So let's start by doing it. Inside of the components folder, we will create a file called as header.jsx, guys. Okay, that is the component that we are going to create. When we have created the component, the first thing is const react is equals to require react. That's the first thing that we will be doing. Okay, CSS file is not there in the description. Eternal sunshine, use your eternal sunshine. Listen to me very carefully. Reload the page, you will be able to see it right over there. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is we want to create the function. So funcgin function, header header, parenthesis, and then curly braces right over here, and then we will be returning. Okay, we'll be returning return. We will be returning the header function. So please try to understand. We have learned about the div tag, right, guys? Do you guys remember about the div tag? Do you guys remember about the div tag, guys? Please let me know. You guys remember about the div tag, or have you guys forgotten about it? The container that we talked about, the tiffin box that we talked about itself, right? So now in a website, there is a, like right over here, we are creating a header, the top portion of a website. Okay, it is always there, a footer, a bottom portion for the website itself. So these parts of a website usually exists in every single website. Am I right or wrong, guys? Any website that you take up. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Okay, so this premium and this hamburger, this search, voice search, all these logos, that is called as the header of the website. If you go to the utmost bottom of the website, that is called as the footer of the website. Here you are not able to go, but there is, this will be the show more button, will be the footer of the website itself. That is the bottommost portion of the website. So these div tags, okay, have specific names to it. Again, try to understand this, that it does not, okay, it does not mean anything new. It is not having a very different utilization. It's still a div tag. Just because it is, this div tag is always used for the header position, it is called as the header div tag. If that div tag is used for the footer position, it is called as a footer div tag. Are you guys able to understand it or not? These are just names given right over there, guys. These are just names given right over there. Are you guys able to understand it? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this header and footer? These are simple div tags, but with a specific use, and hence the name is called as header and footer, guys. So we are going to create a header right over here, guys. We're going to create a header, H-E-A-D-E-R header. I'm going to use an ending header as well. Header header. And then inside of this header, guys, inside of this header, we are going to have our h1 tag. Okay, inside of the header itself, as you are able to see, we need to have this DevTown written right over here, right, guys? So this orange color portion is called as the header tag. Okay, we are having this orange color portion that is called as the header tag, and this name DevTown is basically an h1 tag, guys. This name DevTown is basically an h1 tag, guys. H1 we have already learned about it. Header tag is nothing else but a div tag itself. But because this div tag is present at the top of the website itself, we call it as the header tag. It's just a new name for that. It's just a new name for that, guys. Okay. So we will go back. We'll put an h1 tag right over here, guys. We'll put up an h1 tag right over there. We'll put up a closing h1 tag right over there. And put up div right over here, DevTown, dev TOWN right over here, guys. We'll save it, and this is our header, guys. This is our header. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to export it by default. Okay, so export DEFAULT default. Okay, header. I'm going to save it. Then we are going to go into our app.jsx and we're going to import it. We're going to import header for components slash header, and we are going to use it right over here. We'll put it up inside of this div tag as header. We're going to save it, and then we are going to go inside of the website itself, and we are going to reload our page. As you're able to see, we are seeing our header, that is DevTown, coming up right over here, guys. We are seeing our header, that is DevTown, coming up right over here. But the CSS is not working. The CSS, what is the use of CSS, guys? Please let me know. What is the use of CSS? I told you guys on the very first day. What is the use of CSS, guys? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what is the use of CSS, guys? Styling. Okay. The colors, the attributes, the styling to the website is done by CSS. We have uploaded our CSS file, but no styling is available right over here. It's just the same. It's just DevTown coming up on our screen. Why is the styling not there? For that reason, let us do a quick checkup, guys. We'll go inside of our index.html. Please remember that your index.html is the only thing that gets rendered on your website. Your website, your browser, your Chrome browser, your Safari browser, your Edge browser is able to read only your HTML file. And the problem right over here is this HTML file hasn't told where our CSS file exists. We need to tell our HTML file that, dude, there is a CSS file that is also present. That is not said right over here. So what we will do is we'll put a particular statement right over here. Okay, just add this particular line of code, guys. Okay, just add this particular line of code right over here. Link CSS styles.css, guys. Okay, /styles.css. This is what you need to do. Okay, you just need to write this particular line of code, guys. Link style relationship style sheet href styles.css. Are you guys able to see this or not, guys? Please let me know. To make sure that your CSS is working, you don't need to understand it. We are not here to understand our HTML code. Okay, for understanding HTML and CSS, you can join the next bootcamp that is currently happening. There you can learn about HTML and CSS. You just need to make sure that you're writing this particular line of code, otherwise your CSS won't work properly, guys. Okay, we'll go back to our website, we'll reload our page itself. As you're able to see, now your CSS is working absolutely fine. Now your CSS is working absolutely fine. You're able to see the header. You're able to see DevTown inside of it as well. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Great, amazing, guys, amazing. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to go back to our code that is inside of header.jsx. We want to create the footer right now, guys. We want to create the footer right now. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to create another component called as footer.jsx, guys. Footer.jsx. Now I am a very lazy person. Okay, very lazy person itself. So I'm going to copy everything from my header.jsx. I'm going to paste it inside of my footer.jsx. I'm going to start changing things. footer footer, that should be the name of the function. I'm going to change the export default to footer. I'm going to change the header HTML tag to footer HTML tag. Similar to that, right over here, footer, I'm going to change it to that as well. I'm going to change the h1 element to paragraph element itself, not h1 element, that is a paragraph element. And I'm going to change this as copyright @2023. Okay, let's change it to 2021, guys. Okay, copyright @2021. I'm going to save it right over here. Then I'm going to go inside of my app.jsx. I'm going to import footer. I'm going to import footer from component/footer, guys. I'm going to import footer from components.footer, and I'm going to put it right over here in below header, that is footer / and done. Okay. So if I am going back on my website and reloading my page, as you're able to see on the bottom, are you guys able to see this copyright @2021, guys? Are you guys able to see this copyright @2021 at the bottom of the website, guys? Please let me know. You guys able to see this copyright @2021 at the bottom of the website, guys? Please let me know. Right? So now you have created your header. You have actually created your footer. What is the next step that is remaining? Okay, what is the next step that is remaining in our website, guys? Please let me know. What is the next thing that is remaining in our website, guys? Could you guys let me know? Not body, of course, it does not work like that. The next step that is remaining is the notes. The notes are missing. Where is the notes? Okay, there are no notes on my website. Okay, so we need to create these notes right now. So what I'm going to do is we are going to go back. We are going to create another component right over here. Okay, and this component we are going to call it as notes.jsx, guys. Notes.jsx. Again, very lazy person. I'm just going to copy everything from header.jsx and paste it inside of notes.jsx and start changing things. notes. Control C, Control V. The notes are going to have a div tag. Okay, so this is going to be a div tag, guys. And the div tag is going to contain an h1 tag and a paragraph tag inside of it, because every note, if you guys remember, every note will contain the topic of the bootcamp and some information about the bootcamp. So this is our div tag, which contains an h1 tag and a paragraph tag inside of it, guys. Okay, div tag and then an h1 tag and the paragraph tag right over here itself. Okay, so we will go back, we'll write something. So React.js bootcamp, we learn and learn the basics of web development, JavaScript, JSX, React, DOM, and created a project at the very end of camp as well. I've just written a very small note as well, guys. Just React.js bootcamp. We learned the basics of web development, JavaScript, JSX, React DOM, and created a project at the very end of the bootcamp. Okay. So I'll just put up this small note right over here, and we have exported default as note as well. We'll go back to our app.jsx. We are going to import that as well. So import notes from components. I'm going to delete this. We're going to save it. We're going to put up the notes. So the note component, okay, if you look at the website as well, the note component should go in between the heading and the header and the footer. Am I right or wrong, guys? The note should appear in between the header and the footer, guys. Are you guys able to understand this or not? Please let me know. The note should appear in between the header and the footer. So inside of the code as well, your component notes should appear in between the header and the footer as well, guys. Please do not forget about it. Please do not forget about it, guys. If you go back to the website, you are able to see the notes. But again, the CSS is not working on this. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Again, you write your code. It's good. There is no problem out there. But still no CSS. Why is CSS not working? Is CSS having a problem with our lives? No, right? So we need to understand what is happening right over there. This is where a new topic comes into place. We have learned about IDs. Do you guys remember about IDs? Please let me know. Do you guys remember about IDs? Please let me know, guys. Do you guys remember about IDs or have you guys forgotten about it? Oh. Vaishna, Preetham has already forgotten about it. Very bad, Preetham. Very bad. Okay. So let's assume we don't give a fuck what is CSS. We don't give a fuck about HTML as well. I know I am from a college. You guys are also from a college or a school. So in your school, you guys used to have your annual day functions. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. You guys used to have annual day functions. Do you guys remember that? Please do let me know or not. Or have you guys forgotten about it? Okay, you would wear like shiny ass clothes and half naked you'll go and dance in front of your parents. That concept looked very bad, but yeah, we used to enjoy it as well. So think about it in such a way that this is a school. Your website is nothing else but a school itself. There are h1 tags, paragraph tags, various different tags that are present on your website. Okay, there are various different students present inside of your school as well. Now, these students can be categorized into two categories. Okay, these students can be categorized into two categories. The first category is via their class. So, these students are present in class 10A. These students are present in class 10B. These students are present in class 10C. These students are present in class 10D. Okay, so all these classes are there. So, you can categorize students on the basis of their class. And the second, every student will have their unique ID as well, a unique roll number to uniquely identify that student within the entire college or entire school. So this will have an ID of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right guys? Now if I say that the class of 10B is going to wear red color clothes and dance, then all the students from class 10B will be wearing red color clothes itself for the annual day function. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. All the students from class 10B will be wearing red color clothes itself? All the students, because all of them can be identified by the class 10B. Similar to that in websites as well, you can give up classes to various different components or various different tags itself and tell that all these tags should be of red color. So all the tags that have that particular class will be of red color itself. You can also say that the student that has the ID of 11, the student who has the ID of 11 should wear blue color clothes. Okay, should wear blue color clothes itself. So the student has an ID of 11 will be wearing blue color clothes. Why? Because that is his ID. I can uniquely identify students as well. No two students in the entire school will have the same ID. Can two students in the same school have the same ID? No, that is just not possible. But multiple students from the same schools can have the same class. The same goes on for websites as well. No two components, no two tags can have the same ID. It will always be unique. But multiple components and multiple tags can have the same class. Do not forget about it, guys. Do not forget about it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. If you are still not able to know, this concept will be taught to you guys in the HTML CSS bootcamp. So you guys can appear there to understand this concept. There is no issues in that. But a brief introduction I gave it to you for this particular topic. So right now we are going to use this class to make our nodes get their like all the different like CSS properties itself. So this nodes, we are going to provide it with a class name. Now, if you were working just in CSS, okay, please remember, this is not your normal HTML code. Although it looks like HTML code, it is not your normal HTML code, guys. What is it? Can somebody let me know? I'm telling you guys that it looks like your HTML code, but it is not your HTML code. It is not your normal HTML code. What it is JSX, guys. It is JavaScript XML. Please remember that. Okay, in your, if it would have been your normal HTML code, you want to apply a class to the div tag, you just write class is equals to, and then inside of the parenthesis you will be writing the class that is note. Okay, that's it, and it will start working. It will actually work for you, but right now you'll get errors in your website. You will get errors in your website. Do you want errors in your website at any particular point of time? No. Instead of normal HTML, this would have been fine, but this is not your normal HTML. This is your JSX. Inside of JSX, you'll be writing class name. Okay, you'll be writing class name as note, guys. You'll be writing class name as note. Now, if you go to a website, reload your page, as you're able to see, you'll be able to see the notes appearing properly. Are you guys able to see the notes appearing properly, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see the notes appearing properly? Please let me know. You will be able to see like some border as well that we have put up for the notes. Are you guys able to see this border that I have put up for the notes as well? Now you should be able to see the notes absolutely fine. Do you want 6 notes on your website? Okay. Do you want 6 notes on your website? Just copy paste. Just go into app.jsx, guys. Just go into app.jsx. Put the notes component 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Save it. Right over here, put up notes 6 times. I'll go back to my website. You're able to see 6 different notes present on your screen, guys. 6 different notes present on your screen. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. I know you guys are very smart. Okay, I know you guys are very bright. I know you will be able to very easily understand it, guys. I have full confidence from you. I'm having full confidence on you guys that you will easily be able to understand this. Easily. Right, guys? Is my confidence misplaced or am I right? You were easily able to understand it. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Good. Now with our current thing, we are having just one particular problem, guys. Just one particular problem inside of the entire website. Can somebody identify that problem? Please do let me know. Just one very simple problem, guys. Can somebody identify that particular problem? Please do let me know. Aryan Pandi, very good. Aryan, I appreciate you. Okay, so Aryan has written the exact answer, guys. The copyright is 2021. It should be 2023. We are living in 2023 itself, right? We are living in 2023 itself. The copyright is of 2021. So how can we change that? Now, maybe I created this website in 2021. Now I will have to come up to the website every single year, change it to 2022. Then again next year I will have to come back, change it to 2023. Then next year I have to come back, change it to 2024. A very tedious task itself to change the copyright every single year. So for that, we will use JavaScript to change the copyright on the basis of the current year itself. Whatever year that is, it is 2024, it will change it to 2024 automatically. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. We'll do that using JavaScript, guys. We'll go back to our website. We'll go into components. We'll go into footer. We'll close the other stuff out because we don't actually need to use them right now. Okay. So what we're going to do is inside of the footer function. Okay. Inside of the footer function itself, guys, we're going to create a constant called as current year. Okay. const const. Okay, that we'll call it as curryear, current year, guys. Okay, and what we're going to do is we are going to feed it. Okay, we are going to feed this constant. Okay, we are going to feed in the current year, whatever year is there right now. Whenever the user reloads the page, we want to fetch the current date. Okay, whenever the user reloads the page, anybody comes on our page itself, we want to fetch the current year, guys. Whatever year it is, whatever date it is, we want to get that date and then get the full year out of it. That is 2023. That is full year. If you get just year, that will be 23. But to get 2023, want to get the full year out of it. To do that, we'll be first creating a new date. Okay, new date will get the current date that is currently there. Okay, new date will get the current date that is currently there, guys. I'm so sorry, my throat is not well. I don't know why. Smoking is injurious to health. That's absolutely true, of course. Many of you guys were asking for the registration link itself. So I have pinned up the registration link as well as the WhatsApp number for the training and internship program. So you don't have to worry about it. So constant current year is equals to, we'll get the date. Okay, we'll get the date right over here, and then we are going to get the full year. Okay, we're going to get the full year out of it, and that we are going to save it inside of this constant called as current year, guys. That we are going to save it inside of the constant called as current year. Sorry, not get new. Okay, I'm very sorry. New date. Okay, new date dot get full year, guys. New date dot get full year. Okay, and that date that will give us the current full year itself, and we are going to save it inside of the current year. We are going to save it inside of the current year itself. Now, once we have done that, instead of having 2021 right over here, please try to remember, although this is a JSX code, okay, this is a JSX code. This is being treated as a type of HTML code itself. This particular portion is being treated as a type of HTML code. This is not purely JavaScript. This is not purely HTML. This is somewhere in the middle itself. This somewhere in the middle itself. So if I directly write curryear, current year, thinking that, okay, that is a constant, we don't need to think about anything, we'll just put it up right over here, it will work like a variable. If you go back to your website, it is not working at all. You are just getting current year printed on your screen. You're just getting current year printed on our screen itself. So we need to put curly braces around it, guys. So current year, we need to put curly braces around it and save it. Okay. Need to put up curly braces around it and save it, guys. And then if you're going up on your screen, you are able to see that instead of having current year, we are having the latest year that is there right now. That is your 2023 itself. That is your 2023 itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand everything that I've taught up till this particular point of time, guys? Please do let me know. New date is getting the current date. Whatever date is there, whatever new, it is creating an object of the current date. Okay, that is what it is bringing it to you guys. Okay. Little. Okay. No issues in that. So make sure, okay, that you were able to understand everything. This video is available to you guys with lifetime access. Okay. This video is available to you guys with lifetime access right over here. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. You can come to this particular video 100 times, 200 times, or 1,000,000 times. That is up to you. You can easily sit, watch the entire video once again, understand what is going on. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. Now, a lot of you guys, okay, a lot of you guys will be asking questions like, for example, Lakshay is asking, sir, we have to remember all these JS calls. Absolutely not. The point is, the more that you practice, okay, the more that you practice, the better you would be at it. That is how it works. The more that you practice, you start like remembering all these things. Okay, you start remembering all these things itself. So practice as much as possible, guys, as much as possible. Also, could you guys let me know, a lot of students have enrolled yesterday, so we started a new batch as well. So could you guys let me know how many of you guys are still planning to enroll into the training and internship program, guys? Can you guys let me know how many of you guys are still planning to enroll into the training and internship program? Could you guys let me know? Because we have got a lot of different students enrolling for the program. Okay, and that is the reason why we started out with a new batch as well. So those students who are still planning to enroll into the training and internship program, like I said, the cost of the program is 3,500 rupees. It comes up with a 1 month guaranteed internship as well. Maybe it will be available in the future, maybe not. Right now it is available. You can do it after 6 months as well. There's no issues in that. For those guys who are interested to participate in that, you can do the registration right now itself, or you can just message on this particular WhatsApp number and somebody from our team will be able to help you out with that as well. Okay, I'm planning to enroll in April. Priya, I will suggest like enroll right now, start in April, because in April, if the guaranteed internship is not there, they will just get the training. That is the problem. So right now, if you are enrolling, you will get the intern, like you will get the internship as well, the guaranteed internship. Okay. So why are we not putting var current year? You can put that. Okay, Devangri, you can of course put that. Why I personally have not put that, because I'm not going to change it. Me personally, I'm not going to modify it. Every time, whatever the current year is, that should be used. I'm not modifying it down the road. That is the reason why I've used current. Okay. So that is the reason why, guys, if you're doing well in the internship, you will have stipend as well. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Yeah, like I said, if you are enrolling right now, you can start the training after a month in April as well. There's no issues in that. You can do the internship after 6 months as well. There's no issues in that. Okay. If I pay now, can I be one of the 40 members? Ashwini, like I said, the link is still open. That means the seats are still there. So you don't have to worry about it. How much React should we learn to get a job? You will, whatever we have put up on our website as the syllabus for the program, that is the most that you need to learn. Guaranteed internship is available for the 3,500 plan as well. Yes, of course. For both the 3,500 plan as well as the 7,500 plan, the guaranteed internship is available with both of them. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. For those who are interested for the training and internship program, you can message on this particular WhatsApp number, and you guys can, of course, you guys can do your pre-registration right over here. and you guys can definitely start. Okay, the entire training and internship will be online itself. Okay, Payal, you don't have to worry. The internship for that particular duration, that will be made sure that to happen in the evening, because the companies know that most of you guys are from college. Okay, how can we change the description of every nodes and components that we used to change? Please answer this question. For that, you have to connect it to a backend. The front end cannot do that. You will have to connect it with the backend itself to change the content of your website. Okay. Small doubt, you have just to print the same notes, but why you just copy pasted the same? But what to do if you want to print different notes? Sneha, like I just explained, okay, you will have to connect it with the backend. You will have to create a backend. The backend will be providing the content that will continuously change with every single post itself. So there are two modes in the internship. Yes. What about placements? The placements will be catered by us itself. We'll be having direct placements with the company, placements via the internship itself. You're doing good, you will be getting the placements right over there, and then you will be having your placement portal where companies will be pushing up their placements and you will be applying there. And the last is basically through referrals. So we have a lot of instructors, they collect referrals and will give it to you guys. Okay, so that is how the entire placements happen right over there. This framework for Python, do not learn frameworks for Python, no jobs in that. Learn frameworks for JavaScript itself. Okay, when will the campus ambassador plan start? It will be starting very soon, do not worry. So I don't know which should I apply for internship or not, because I'm having college stuff too, and college will only give 1 to 2 months of summer holidays. What do you suggest about this? For him, first of all, whatever you study in college, that is not going to get you any placements. Second, every single student that wants to go into a good company will learn everything, will do the internship, will do the training along with college. You're not going to get 1.5 months is not enough to study for college preparations or college placements. It is just not enough. You have to do it separately. You will have to take out your time, manage your time, sleep a little bit less, hang a little bit less with your friends and study. That is how it will work. Okay. If student is weak, also they get internship. The internship is guaranteed. There is nothing that is going to change about that. Okay. Should I have CSE background for this course to get a placement, as I'm a mechanical engineering student? Abhin, like I said, even if you are not from college, you are just a graduate as well, to 12th diploma plus, you will still have, okay, you will still have that. You don't have to worry about it. If you want to get into IT, this is more than sufficient for you. Our internships are paid or unpaid. There are no exams, there are no interviews, nothing. It's a guaranteed internship. So of course it is unpaid. But if you are doing well in the internship, then paid internships will also be given to you. So how will I be getting the internship and pre-recorded video plan? Once you have completed the entire series, you have a portal in which once you have entirely completed the same, DevTown will be contacting to you, asking you which company do you want to do your internship with and when do you want to do it. Then that will be scheduled for you, and at that particular point of time, you will be having your internships itself. Yes, Fahim, there will be pre-recorded videos to watch. How much normal internship stipend got? Usually around 25,000 rupees. Can I get placed in Google if I am in private college? I was from a private college. I got placed into Google. Yes, you all can of course do that. Okay. Okay, guys, I will be providing you guys the internship will be paid or not. Like I said, there are no exams, nothing. Okay. In the internship, during the internship. So of course it's an unpaid internship. If you are doing well in that internship, then paid internships as well as jobs will be offered to you. Okay. The classes and the doubt classes will be happening after 7 o'clock in the evening itself. Can we enroll into the training without internship without training? Of course not, Prashant, because that is offered to our students itself. So you cannot do that. The internship will be completely online. Okay. I'll be providing you guys with the attendance link for today's class, guys. Govardhan, you can definitely ask him to join the program. There's no issues in that. I'm providing you guys with the attendance link right now, guys. Yes, API development is also a part of backend development itself. Whatever you have to do, paid internships, me pay or company pay. The cost of the program is 3,500 rupees for the entire training and internship. for the entire training and internship. Nothing less, nothing more. Okay. So self-paced students have doubt solving classes. Yes, of course, doubt solving will be there inside of the portal itself. You don't have to worry about it. I'll create the attendance link for you guys. Let's say I'm having exams after I'm done with the pre-recorded video. So can I do the internship after a month completing the course? Prakhar, that is what I said. We will be approaching you. When do you want to start the internship? And then we'll be scheduling your internship after that. So you don't have to worry about it. All these things we have already taken care for you guys. Okay. 12th class, can I get it? Yes, like I said, the internship is guaranteed to all our students, guys. The internship is guaranteed to all our students. The pre-registration fees is 500 rupees itself, nothing less, nothing more. Okay, it is just 500 rupees for the pre-registration. After that, the rest of the amount can be paid within the next few days. Okay. Do we get the internship completion from the reputed company? Yes, the internship certificate will be directly coming from the company itself. We are not going to give you guys that. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. There are SDEs interns, there are front-end interns, there are back-end interns, there are DevOps interns, there are internships offered for data analysis, ML, programming, everything. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So let us open the thing. It's the internship paid and the certificate. The certificates, they see, guys, please try to understand it. The internship is guaranteed via Amazon. It is guaranteed without any exams, without any interviews. So it is an unpaid internship. The training program has a cost of 3,500 rupees. If you're doing well in that unpaid internship, then you get chances to get a paid internship where you are getting paid for the internship, where you are getting a job opportunity as well. Okay. I provided you guys with the attendance link in the live chat as well, guys. If you have any questions or queries related to the program, I'm still here. Okay. I'm 12th standard pass. Don't know any programming concepts. You don't have to worry about it. You just need to understand English. If you know English, that is more than sufficient. Otherwise, everything will be able to teach you guys. Time limit to pay the money than pre-registration 4 days. Okay. इतने कंपनीज के साथ कैसे रिलेशनशिप बनाए? वेरी सिंपल. वी प्लेस्ड आवर स्टूडेंट्स राइट ओवर देयर. द फीडबैक वाज अमेजिंग, so these students help us to contact with the company as well. If you want to continue the internship after 1 month, yes, you can definitely do that. There's no issues in that. Can I pay in EMI? Yes, there are options to pay in EMI as well. Will you also teach to how to add new node but by button? That will be a backend thing. We are here just to learn the front end team. Can you please share the syllabus of the course, like the topics or the projects we will be making? By the way, I did the pre-registration yesterday. Okay, no issues. First, you should have seen the syllabus, but no issues. I'll just share the syllabus once again as well. No issues in that. I'm always there for you guys. So this is the syllabus for the program itself. Okay, for the front-end web development program, this is the syllabus. I've already sent it to you guys. Okay, the class is over, guys. The bootcamp is over. The project is already done. Try to complete the project itself. That will be my suggestion to you guys. Okay, try to complete the project yourself, and the bootcamp is done. Very soon you will be getting your certificates as well. Okay, for those guys who want to be a part of the training and internship, I've already provided you guys with the registration link. I will be suggesting you guys definitely join the program itself, guys. It is amazing for people, especially students. Okay, do not worry about it. We have taken care about everything, whether it be your studies, whether it be your preparation for exams, data structures, algorithms, competitive programming, wherever it be your full stack web development, your projects, your internships itself. So 3 months internship certificate via DevTown, 1 month internship certificate via reputed company itself. We have set up the entire base for you guys with placements, with internships and everything down the road. So it is exceptionally great for people, and I will definitely suggest you guys to participate in the training and internship program itself. Okay, so the class is over, guys. Can we get internship from Amazon too? Yes, Amazon is also one of the companies inside of the training and internship program, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Sir, in this, if we use arrow function, it will be better. Yes, of course, it will be better. Okay. Infosys में internship मिलेगी Kelvin. Yes, one of the partner programs for the companies for the partner program is Infosys as well. As you're able to see right over here, these are the companies that we are having. We are having Cognizant, Deloitte, BCG, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, British Airways. We are going to have Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JB Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, HP. We are having companies like MasterCard, ANZ, JB Morgan and Chase, and PwC as well. So definitely you guys can do that. Okay. So guys, there is no project submission in this particular bootcamp. Do not worry about it. Okay. There's no project submission in this bootcamp. Do not worry about it. Just make sure that if you want to do the project, please do the project about it. Okay. Do not worry. Your certificates will be sent on the basis of your attendance for this bootcamp. Okay. You will be getting the certificates on the basis of your bootcamp itself, attendance itself, guys. Do not worry about it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. The project has been completed today, guys. How can I ask the doubts on self-paced program? There will be a button called as doubt solving. You can just click that, push your doubt right over there, and we'll be solving it for you. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Okay. Disciplinary coded videos have projects and can we submit those projects on your resume? Fatim, it will have the exact same projects from the live course. Do not worry about it. Okay. And the certificates, you will be able to get it in the next 5 days. Okay. In the next 5 days, you will be able to get your certificates as well. It will take you 5 days to get the certificates, but you will get it in the next 5 days itself. Okay. Thinking of going to the MS data science or full stack development. I'm from ECE third year. Go with data science itself. Difference between 3500 plan and 7500 plan. In 3500 plan, all the videos, all the entire course will be pre-recorded. Okay, it will be recordings will be given to you guys on an LMS platform, and you have to do it from right over there. In the 7500 program, we are having our instructors that will be there that will be teaching you guys every single day live. For example, these are our instructors from Google, Microsoft, Amazon, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, Sony, Goldman Sachs that will be coming and teaching you guys live every single day itself. So that is the only difference between the two. Okay. Is freelancing good? Of course, we teach our students in full stack development. We teach our students about freelancing as well. For the full amount of the internship and the training program completely costs 3,500 rupees for the entire program itself. Will be this one-time internship and placement program, or after complete one internship, you can also get another internships as well. Only one internship, of course. It will be a one internship that will be offered to you, as well as 3 months of internship certificate via the DevTown as well. How come we get that in full stack course? Yes, inside of the full stack program, you are having C++, you are having Java, you are having the entire data structures and algorithms and competitive programming covered inside of the full stack program itself. Because for placements, that is important. Okay. Can I get yourself as a mentor? Yes, I am one of the mentors, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. How is placement going on in the course? Like I said, the placements are amazing. We place almost 900 students every single month with an average placement of 16 lakhs per annum. Okay, 16 lakhs per annum itself. Any payment after placements? No. The entire cost of the entire training, entire internship is just 3,500 rupees. We don't charge anything more than that. You don't have to worry about it. So what about certificates from Google and Microsoft? Everything will be sent to you guys after 5 days, guys. After 5 days. Okay. So guys, I will be taking a leave right now. I will be going, will be given lifetime access to the recorded videos, right? Prakhar, yes, you'll be getting lifetime access for all the things. You don't have to worry about it. Since recession is coming, most of the top companies you have mentioned are removing people. How are you guys assuring placements? Amulya, see, whatever you are hearing, okay, which company did you hear fire people? Google? Google fired 11,000 people, right? Did you study about that fact? How many people were fired from India? Yeah, or did you not study about it? That is the problem. That is the very big problem with you people, that you don't think. You are just blinded by social media. You don't research about topics. Okay. Most of the people that were fired by these companies were not from India. They were from abroad. Why? Because these companies have to pay 6 to 7 times more to those people than Indians. They are still, so every month this month Google had 12 students from us, from just DevTown. Okay, from other places as well, they will be hiring more people. You don't have to submit your projects, guys. You don't have to submit your projects. Okay, that's the problem. You guys need to research about stuff. Recession is going on. Recession is going on. Arey bhai, recession is going on outside India, not inside India. Who is losing their jobs? Yes, if you are a shitty ass developer, if you don't work properly in the company, you are saying something to your managers itself. So that case, if you are getting fired, then you are definitely going to get fired. No company is going to tolerate your shitty ass nature. If you're not working, you're not supposed to be in the company. Your company is not going to pay you free money. Always remember that, guys. Okay. So for those guys who are who want to participate in the training and internship program, I've already provided you guys with the link. You guys can definitely do that. While telling the disadvantage of React, how do I make a common function for different cards with different photos but same style? That is what you have done right over here, Lakshay. You just need to connect it to the backend. You have not learned backend development. That is the problem. But sir, most of the service-based companies retract the offer letters due to less projects. See, that will happen if you are applying to a shitty ass company. If your aim is to get into Infosys or something like that, then I cannot suggest anything for you. Your aim should be to get into Google, Microsoft, Amazon. These companies are never going to do that. If you want 3,500 to internship and training, then what will be given back or mean stipend? Aryan, there are no stipend. Okay, if you're doing well in the internship, then a stipend of 25,000 rupees is the basic that you'll be getting. After that, after the internship is over, if you are getting selected in that, the guaranteed internship has no stipend. Okay, because it's a guaranteed internship by Amazon does not even come to your college, and you are able to get a direct internship without any classes right over there. What are the timings for tomorrow's class? There is no class tomorrow. The class is over. Okay, we have completed our project itself. So does the internship certificate have any employee ID? Yes, Prabin, it has the employee ID as well. Do not worry about it. The internship certificate will be given by company or by DevTown or both. So you'll get one internship certificate via just the company DevTown for 3 months of internship in that field. Second, you will get another internship certificate by the company of your choosing. No DevTown logo. By the company of your choosing. Direct that company itself, that will be of 1 month. So you'll get 2 internship certificates. So total amount of internship done will be of 4 months. Okay. If you are absent for 1 day, you will not be able to get the certificates. How much charges for the 3 months program? The charge for the 3 months program is 3,500 rupees, guys. 3,500 rupees. So approximately how many months would it take to complete a training program? 3 months, right? For him, the minimum amount of time that we have seen our students is 3 months. But like I said, it's a lifetime access. You can do it via like 6 months as well. That is up to you. The minimum that we have seen is 3 months. Okay. The certificates will be sent to you guys on your email IDs itself. And so in which course are you teaching? Full stack web development live course. So most of the people doing proper analysis of any use, just making true whatever they're seeing, like layoffs mostly done in outside. Yes, friends, that's absolutely right. Layoffs are happening outside India, not in India. Because in India, we are cheap labor for them. They fire 1 person right over there. They hire 3 people in India for that. So which company for internships, sir, do you prefer for web development? I will definitely go for AWS, that is Amazon. Okay. We will get the internship once we have completed the 3 months training program. Of course, Kumar, of course. So how is the placement training? It's amazing. Okay. Is this only for Indians? No, we have people joining us from UAE, UK. We have people joining us from Nigeria, from Sri Lanka, from Pakistan, from Nepal. So yeah, we have a lot of people. Yes, the class is over, guys. You guys can leave. I'm just answering some of the questions. When I get access to the training program, I've registered already. Once I've completed your registration of 3,500 rupees in 1 to 2 days, you will be able to get the same. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. For which company will I prefer for internship? That will be Amazon. Okay, day 6 attendance missing. I can't do anything. 1 attendance was not down. I can't do anything. Share the attendance link. My network was disturbing. Can't do anything. Testing, good option. Do not go for testing. Do not go for software testing. You will regret it. Okay, do not go for that. Which company would you suggest for data science internship? BCG, that is Boston Consulting Group, or British Airways. These are the two that I will be suggesting to you guys. Do you guys screen from the 40 students to get them placed? See, we provide all the help that is required for placements. Most of them get placed very easily. How much is your earning? So my earning, so I work as a software engineer. So my salary, I cannot say the exact salary. JP Morgan and Chase or Amazon. So I cannot say my exact salary, but in India, it is equivalent to a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. That is how I can tell you guys about my salary. That is the CTC. Okay. Can I join the outside clone from tomorrow or not? Because I'm not filling today's attendance. I can get the certificate or not. Devesh, the attendance for today's class is still open. You can still go and fill up the attendance for today's class. Okay, it is still open. Go and fill it up. Okay. Guys, I will definitely request you guys. So the class is over, guys. I'm just answering some of the questions itself. Can I join HTML Hotstar clone from today? Yes, of course. Sir, will I get the letter of recommendation from the company after 1 month of internship? Of course, you'll be getting that. Do not worry about it. I'm really good at DSA and have little knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Is it enough to get for a 10 lakh LPA job? No, Kaushik. You need to get your full stack development sorted out. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow, means in the future bootcamp. This bootcamp is already over. I hope that you guys will be participating in the training and internship program. I hope to see you guys very soon in that as well. So I will definitely wish to see you guys in that. So thank you so much, guys, and have a great future ahead. I hope the best for you guys. You guys can join the training and internship program. Is project during training? Yes, of course, there will be projects during training. Very good projects. You can get message on this particular number or do your pre-registration from right over here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a great night ahead, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.